Failed attempt to show you my outfit of the day, but let me use this chance to tell you that I won't be sharing the rent price of this house or the location, and if you know where it is, please keep it to yourself. Hello, how are you doing? I'm hoping that all of you are doing well. I am doing well as well. Welcome to this channel and welcome to this video. In case you're watching me for the first time, my name is Miss Kinyua, but I go by Terry Kinyua on Instagram. You can call me by either, and you should follow me on Instagram, by the way. And those who follow me on Instagram know that I have been house hunting for a minute now, like a month or two, and I found a couple of houses, but I wasn't ready to compromise on some things, but I ended up compromising on some, because you can never get a house that you love 100% if it's a rental. So yeah, like the kitchen space, I wanted a bigger kitchen, but I ended up going with this one, which is okay because it has enough storage, and that is what that matters. One thing that I wasn't willing to compromise on is lighting. I had found a good house that I liked, but the lighting was off, and good lighting is every content creator's dream, so I settled on this one, and I love the natural lighting of this house. And you will hear a lot of echo here because the house is empty, and I had to redo this video. My friend had helped me shoot it, but I had to redo it because of background noise, including music, and I didn't want to risk copyright claims, so I want to redo it. So the paint that you will be seeing this house is white. You can tell from the background it's not the original paint of this house. I had to repaint it. I think by now you have already seen that house, because I want to include that bit in the cleaning bit. Zen Fresh will be coming tomorrow to clean this house, by the way. So today I'm giving you as it is, like it's dirty, it's filthy, but it will be cleaned tomorrow. So yeah, do I have anything else that I want to say? I don't think there is, so I will just show you as raw as it is, because I know most of you have been looking forward to an empty house tour, and I decided to give you one because you will be able to tell where this house is starting from, and I do a lot of makeovers in this channel anyway, so yeah, it's good to give you like a start, and also for my own memories. I love going through such videos after a long time to see what I've been able to do. Anyway, I can't wait to transform this house into a home that will love me and my little family. So yeah, let me just give you an empty house tour. I don't know where I will be starting from. I think I will go to the door and start from there. So yeah, let's do it. So I am going to start at the entrance of this house, and starting here we have an entryway over here that I can't wait to make over. This entryway, I already have an idea of what I want to do with it. So this is the entryway, and then on this side on the left we have the common washroom. This one just has a sink and a mirror and this light over here. And then we have a toilet over here. This is the situation that we have. Zen Fresh will be doing their thing tomorrow, and then that's it. It's just a half bathroom. It's just a toilet, and that is the size. So yeah, and then coming to this side we have the kitchen. Again, it's very filthy as you can see, and I had to compromise on space over here, but that is the size of the kitchen. Again, I don't like the tiles. I wish they were white, but that's okay. Another thing that I don't like is that space over there, but I will be putting storage baskets over there, but I love that the space is enough. This is where we'll be placing my fridge. We have all these cabinets over here. I think it's the same size as the one that I had, but that dog anyway, I'm hoping that I am more audible than it is. I'm hoping that I am louder. This space can fit a 6 burner, so I can upgrade with time. And then we have more cabinets on this side, and we have this sink. It's like a sink and a half. This is like a small one. So that's that. Let me open the cabinet and show you the space that we have in the kitchen. Moving from the kitchen, this is the kitchen door. On this side we have the laundry area, but I don't think I will be doing laundry from here. I don't think I am willing to put my machine in all this sun. I will be putting it inside, but this is the laundry area, a good size if you ask me, and we have water as well. And then on this side we have a gate separating the main area from this space over here, and right out we have the DSQ, a good size, filthy, but it's a good size, and it has a window over here, and it has its own bathroom and shower, which is a good thing. So let's go back to the house. So I'm standing at the kitchen door, and on this side we have the stairs leading to the bedrooms upstairs, so we will go to those later. The painters are up there, so we will go up there when they are done. One thing that I love about this house is the storage. So we have extra storage over here, a lot of it. But the person who is more excited about it is my husband, because I have been dumping things in his office, but now I can put them there. And then my favorite part of this entire house is the living room area. It's huge. Let me move back so that you guys can see, but that's how it looks. I love these wall lights. I will be changing them. I will also be changing this one, and I also love that the tiles are neutral, they are subtle, they are not screaming. I love that about this house. And then another thing that I love about this house, the windows, they are massive, and also the road goes all the way up, like almost all the way up. I'm not even going to be changing it, but this house has only one rod. I'm not sure whether I will be installing one or I will just use one. We will see, but I love this. The light in this house is amazing. And then on this side we have the dining area. I will obviously be buying more curtains because I didn't have a dining area window in the other house, and we have one now, so I will be buying more curtains. But I'm thinking of doing just shears would be amazing here, just shears, but we will see. And I'm hoping that everything will fit here. That is the buffet console and my dining set. And also I'm going to be changing this light to the one that I have in the other house. And then this side is kind of open, so you can see the kitchen from here. That is the kitchen from here, and we have this space. And another thing that I didn't mention, I love that the countertops are granite and they are black. The other house had granite countertops, but they were green, something that I didn't like. But now we have this. So let's proceed to outside. Right outside the living room door we have the backyard. Another thing that I love about this house, and this space, the cemented one, I'm going to make it nice. Yeah. And then this is the backyard. It's being trimmed today. The fences are being trimmed today. I'm hoping that guy will show up, and it's dirty. Obviously we will be collecting all this dirt. We have an aeroplane passing by, and then over there we have the hanging lines, and I'm planning on making this one like a mini garden over here. I want to plant spring onions and maybe flowers. We will see what we do about that. For now, let's get back inside. So I had told you that the stairs are over there, so let's go upstairs. I also love the color of the stairs. And then over here I will be doing another shear. This house needs a lot of curtains because you have a car window over here. So yeah, and then on this wall, I don't know which one, either this or this, I will do like a family gallery wall. Can't wait for that, super excited. Proceeding upstairs, here we have this huge space that I love. I might be putting a shoe rack over here because this space is huge. I'll put some shelves over here, and then on this other side I will be putting my washing machine over here because we have this socket that I can use over here, and I don't want to put it outside. And then on this side we have like a space where I can put like my cleaning products and do floating shelves over here. So yeah, I think this is the perfect spot for the machine. And then this is the shared washroom. I think this is the only washroom that has white sink because it's one. So a sink, a mirror, and this shaving light, and then we have a shower. Tungsten will be bringing my showers over here. I love that they can help you move the showers. So if you are moving and you want to move your showers, you can contact them. They will be moving my showers and the kitchen light that they installed. And then we have this bathroom holder. So yeah, and then we have a shower cubicle. I love that I can do like a shower curtain over here. The other bathroom didn't have that. The only thing that I don't quite like are the tiles and an aeroplane. It's gone. I think it's because I am comparing the tiles here with the ones that I have in the other house. The other house has white and blue, a beautiful shade of blue, but this is very workable. But you can't tell when these are clean or when they are dirty, but it's okay. That is a very small thing. And then we have the toilet over here. So that's that. Do you see the situation of this one? You will see the difference when Zen Fresh comes. Anyway, let's go back outside. And on this side we have the first bedroom. This will obviously be the home office, and it's a good size, as you can see, well lit. I love that about it. And then it has a lot of storage. This storage is enough. Let me open this so that you can see. This is definitely enough, and we have more storage up there. And here we have storage as well. You can hang clothes, long clothes over here. So yeah, not much to this. I don't even think I will be showing you this room again. I don't think I will be doing anything extra to this. This is the home office. I think I've already mentioned that. And then next to it is this room, again well lit. I love that about it. All the rooms in this house are well lit and good sizes. Do you see that? I think this is the same size as the master bedroom that we have. And then the view from here is amazing. You can see the backyard from here. Yeah, and I won't be opening the closet. It's similar to the other one in the other bedroom. This will be the guest bedroom, and I love that they put in all these sockets. Yeah, and we have sockets on the other side as well, so you can place the bed any way that you want. So let's go to the third bedroom, which is our master bedroom. I love this room. Do you see all that space? Do you see all that space here? It's huge, and it's bigger than the one that we currently have. It has that wall light. I'm going to be changing that. I'm going to be changing this one as well. And then another thing that I love about it is that it has a his and hers closet. This one, the smaller one, will be my husband's, and then this one will be mine. I won't be opening the closet, but this one has more storage. I don't even think we will need like what is it called? what is it called? I'm forgetting the name, but I don't think we will need extra storage for this room. But if we do, we have this space where we can place it here. I'm forgetting the name. If I remember, I will put it there. And then I also love that they have partitioned the closet like this, so it's easy for you to put your folded clothes. So yeah, and then what else? That is the size from this side. It's huge, right? I love it. I love it. Can't wait to transform this one. And I think my bed will be going over there, but we will deal with that when we move. And then this is our bathroom. Again, we have a bathtub. Really excited about that. My self-care days are about to be lit. I love that. And then the sinks in this room, in this house, apart from the one that I have showed you in the other bathroom, are cream white, something that I don't like. The bathtub is cream white as well. It's not completely white, but it's okay. So yeah, and that is how it looks. Zen Fresh will be coming to do their thing. I might change this mirror because it looks cracked over here. And yeah, and then we have these holders, a towel holder, a toothbrush holder, and a shaving light over there. The bathtub, do you see how stained the toilets are? I'm hoping that we will be able to deal with this situation, honestly. And then you guys, and then look at this. This is how stained the bathrooms are, this one especially. And we have the shower over here. Tungsten will be coming to do their thing, and I will also be looking for a shower curtain. If you have a page, or if you know where I can get some, please plug me on the comment section below. So yeah, and then we have a towel holder over here. I'm not sure where my shelves will go, but I'm thinking I can put them there, the ones that DIY with Caroline did. I think I will call her, and then she can install them over there. I think, I'm not sure, but the mess, but we will deal with this. I can't wait to see what Zen Fresh does with this house. Do you see? And it's good that I'm giving it to you as raw as it is, because you will see the transformation. Anyway, that's it about the whole house. I think the bedroom is one of my favorite rooms in this house, and I love that I was able to paint the house before I moved in. So that's that about this house. I think I will give you a slow tour to the whole house. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. But before then, let me give you a slow house tour.
I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you and you do the same thing. Yeah, I'm still loyal. I'll hold it down for you, ain't a thing change. I'm still loyal. I'll ride for you and you do the same thing. If you're crying, I'ma feel the pain. If you bleed, show me who to blame. In the dark, let me bring the flame. Make it lighter for ya, I make it brighter for ya. If you're guilty, I'ma feel the shame. Keep you focused, help you grow and change. If you're down and out with problems you can't face, I promise I'll be there for you and stay. Cause you're down to ride and I'm by your side. You can close your eyes, sleep in